In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update your Target account information. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the My Target page. Click on this settings icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find various options. Head over to the option Profile. From here you are able to update your username, likewise birthday, contact details, phone number. Just click on anything that you want to update, make your changes and click on Save. Now you can head back. Now clicking on the option of payment cards, you are able to update your payment method or delete your existing payment method. Clicking on the option of addresses, you are able to customize or edit your address. Likewise, scroll down. From here, you are able to edit or update your password as well. So this way you can easily update your Target account information. After you update your account information, review everything to make sure the details are correct. If required, sign out of your account and sign back in using your updated credentials. And that's it. That's how you can update your Target account information. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.